Well, hi there, I'm Daniel, the low budget outdoorsman. We're getting a little bit of a late start today. The sun's already up, but we're gonna do a little bit of bass fishing today. Today is gonna be all about jerkbaits and squarebill crankbaits. We're gonna use them in your typical fashion, but we might also use them a little bit different. I'm probably gonna throw some jerkbaits in some real shallow water around some lily pad stalks that are dormant or dead, and your typical off a riprap, around stumps, etc. So we're going to see if we can catch fish on jerkbaits and squarebills. And so we've got the boats hooked up. We are about ready to go. So let's get on the water and see if we can catch some fish. There's one. Stay down, bass fish. Oh, there we go. There's one. There's a nice fish right there. On the jerkbait with a pretty slow pause right there. On the jerkbait, a little slow pause. So that's a good sign. That's what I was hoping for. Here's one. Ooh, there's another one. This one's not a keeper, but a nice fish here. Here's one. Haven't seen it yet. Oh, just a little one. Although not a bad little one. There we go. Here's one. Stay on fishy. Stay on bass fish. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Came out in the net. I knew she wasn't hooked very well. How about that? That is what I'm talking about. Look at that right there. Here's one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a real good one. Yes! Woo! Yes! Woo! Look at that good one there. Look at that one there. Woo! Look at this one here. Wow. That is what I'm talking about right there. Look at that bass there. Woo! "20 inches long. Woo! That got me excited right there. Woo! Look at the mouth on that guy right there. Woo! Wow. I was throwing a jerkbait in these lily flats here, and it absolutely engulfed it.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
You're doing a video.
I am.
Well, you should have been here the other day when I had the 3-foot-long Asian carp.
Oh yeah?
It was awful.
Yeah.
Are you catching any fish?
I'm catching some bass.
Are you?
Yeah, I got it. Nothing too big, but
What's your biggest one?
about 4.
4, huh?
Woo! It comes straight out of there. Oh, yeah.
Last one of the day right here. Come here, bass fish. There we go. There we go. Last one of the day. That one's probably about 1.5 pounds. Well, that's it for today's adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. 2 great lures and presentations. A squarebill acts like a scared fish. It bounces around off of stumps and lily stalks and rocks. And really, if there's any fish that are staging in those areas wanting to eat, it really fires them up. And a jerkbait looks like a dying fish. That's good all year round. Now, obviously, a real slow jerkbait presentation is a necessity in the winter when the fish are lethargic. But a jerkbait is good any time of the year. I use it as a locator bait, even around weed beds in the summertime. Just a real fast retrieve with some pops and almost a reel a few times, and a pop and a reel a few times. It really gets them. Going. We had a good day. We caught a limit of keepers. We caught several other bass, and that's never a bad day. So until next time, I'm Daniel, the low budget outdoorsman. God bless.